just very quickly, how to save a website. If I go to a website that, let's say I haven't visited before or I want to visit frequently, then I'm going to go to that website. And then at the very top here, if you scroll all the way over to the side, there's a star in the corner. And if you click on that star, it's going to say bookmark this tab. And you'll see a bookmark appear. Now, if you don't see it on this bar, maybe your bar, I'm going to shrink my bar down here and let you see what this looks like. If you shrink it down, you might get two tiny arrows pointing to the right, and if you click on those, it will show you all of your shortcuts. And the more shortcuts, the more scrunched up your screen is, or the more shortcuts you have, the more they will be over here. And then you can click and hold on it, and you can drag it. And if you have too many and you want to get rid of them, you can right click and delete. There you go. I hope that's just a good reminder of how to save bookmarks. And then of course, when you click on that bookmark, it will jump you to that website without having to type it in again. Have a great day.